Hello again. This is Tom Lander with the Black Range Railway. In this case, it's the East Comstock Railroad. And this is where it all started for me. This is my original 8-foot by 9-foot layout that I built in a neighbor's vacant home. And so, pretty cool. A lot of work done at that location until I eventually built my own building and cut the layout in half there and hauled it into my new room and added it to my extensions. At the time, I didn't know much, so I went with Atlas Code 80 track and Pico turnouts, bulletproof, but not very prototypical, as I learned in later years. But it is what it is, and I'm not about to tear it out, so here we go. Basically, it's a U-shape. Give you a shot here of kind of the look. Again, just a basic U-shape. And did a double track, which I like. I can run 2 trains. And again, it will tie into my other peninsula section. And that comes through the microengineering bridge, through a tunnel, comes through some turnouts. And in we go. So this is my town scene, what I call Hillsboro. Of course, still in the works. Got some industry going here. And then this will be the Y. And I'm going to run that along the back wall. Going to go through a tunnel. Continue along the back wall. And then out behind the mine, actually what I call Bar 2 Sand and Gravel, since they're a local sand and gravel and concrete company where I live. So we just kind of come around here. This is the zone I'm still working on. 2013 we had a fire, wildfire, which burnt what we call Iron Mountain, which was pretty darn close to town. So this is my rendition of the burnt trees. And then we have a Forest Service lookout tower. And I actually know the guy that mans that station. So anyway, kind of working on this little area here. Going to add a little manual turntable, maybe a little scene of some kind. This here is the tunnel that wraps around the layout. I think we have a train coming. There we go. Heads down, runs around. That's as slow as that transformer will run. So, there you go. I'd like to switch to DCC, but that's going to be a challenge with all these Pico turnouts. See how that goes. Anyway, one of my favorite scenes here is this, what I call a corner module. The stuff on the upper portion is just staged, so those won't live there. So the actual original scene was kind of a Japanese scene here. Speaking of Japanese, it's going to be my little Asian town I'm working on. These were all a bunch of models I bought when I was over in Japan and put these kits together. So working on that. Again, the town of Hillsboro in the back. Again, some industry. The farm scene here. It's quite a bit of work. Buildings under construction. Have to have my trailer trash. Not sure where I got this bridge. Some train show. Had to do some repairs on it. Kind of a nice arching bridge. Anyway, that's enough for now.